rather, this is just for you, would you rather go shark cage diving? And I know you don't dive very deep, so you know what I mean. Like in the cage, you're kind of on the surface. You can have a snorkel on. I don't care. So shark cage, great white shark cage with your snorkel on, or hike a volcano for 8 hours with a 20-pound pack. Takes you 8 hours to get to the top.
I already know the answer to this. I would rather get in the water without a cage near sharks than do that. I can swim way faster than I can hike. 20 pounds?
Yeah, I mean, that's...
Even in my strongest day, I could only carry water. I would carry everything.
Oh my God, that makes me laugh. Okay, so shark cage, with or without the cage. Okay, that's your answer.
It's optional.